See, simple. Its name is Varaha, right? Vrihat, Vrihat. And so that will be, and one more is Laghu Jataka. Sorry, K-A, right? Laghu Jataka. So these are the literatures by Varaha Mihira. Then you can have another writer, Dhanvantari. You must have this name. You must have heard this name again, Dhanvantari. So Dhanvantari had written the Nava Niktam. Nava Niktam. Right? Nava Niktam. And Bhaskara. Next writer, Bhaskara, who had written Maya. Bhaskar and Laghu Bhaskar. Right. So these had been written by Bhaskara, and last one is the Palkapya. Palkapya. So Palkapya has written the Hastya Ayurveda. Hastya Ayurveda. Right. Palkapya has written Hastya Ayurveda. Right. So these were the points you can always consider as far as literature is concerned. Right. So always keep in mind. So first time the scientific literature appeared during the Gupta period, right? And so these are the different examples of the scientific literature. You can consider secular literature also in this period. These had been happening, right? And in all the earlier period, there had been Hindu texts, there had been Buddhist texts, there had been Jainism, Jain texts, right? So which were always being that means religious texture texts or literatures have been created during mostly all the early periods or later on as well. But here you can consider the start of this one. You have heard the word Manusmriti, right? So Manusmriti was translated in English under the title of Institutes of Hindu Law, and the translator was the William Jones, right? William Jones. Further, Abhijan Shakuntalam, right? Abhijan Shakuntalam, that is called Recognition of Shakuntala. It was also translated in English by the same writer, that is William Jones, right? William Jones. Further, keep in mind, Kalidas is known as Shakespeare of India, right? So India's Shakespeare is Kalidas, right? So you can always consider this one. There had been a what I can consider. I don't know, but probably you must have heard a story, right? The story of love story of a poor Brahmin, right? Whose name was Charudatta, right? Whose name was Charudatta, and the what you can consider Vasant Sena, right? So it is actually being in a book, and the name of that book is Mrichak Katika. Mrichak Tika, right? Mrichak Katika. So this is what, and as far as the sex is concerned, the Kama Sutra is the earliest book on it, right? That is what you can consider. Then Brahma Siddhanta, right? Brahma Siddhanta, which was translated in Arabic under the title called Sindh Hind, right? Sindh Hind. So these are some of the other literatures, right? Fine. Would be the point you can always consider. Okay, that story. Okay. In one of the next sessions, later in some time, I will be saying you, right? See, I used to say the stories. Since this is online class, so you will be thinking otherwise, right? And that is the reason I haven't gone for any kind of story. But whenever we were conducting the lectures at academy, so almost every session or every lecture of mine was having a story, and that story which is unforgettable to everyone. So you will be always taking everything from that, right? So the just by reaching say you the words is not enough, right? So each and every story is always conveying something else, right? That is also conveying myself newly by some of the verbal communications, right? Or some of the non-verbal communications, some of the gestures, right? So that would be the case anyway. But this story, sometime later in one of the next sessions, you will become across this one, right? So Manusmriti, right? Manu Smriti. So translated in English, translated in English, right? So as a, what is the name, right? Name is as Institutes of Hindu Law. Institutes of Hindu Law. It was by William Jones, right? William Jones, right? Who had also translated, right? Also translated Avi Jan Shakuntalam.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
By William Jones. Kalidas, right? Known as Shakespeare, right? Shakespeare of India. Shakespeare India. Then Mrichar, right? Mrichka. I think Braham Siddhanta. We might have come across this name, right? So this was translated. Right. Brahma Siddhanta. Right. Now see, before starting